Winter session has been concluded, and here is everything you should know for prelims 2026. There is bills including replace the MG Narega, VBG Ramji bill. There is opening of the civil nuclear sector for private sector. There is 100% FDI in insurance. Lok Sabha passed 8 bills, 10 government bills were introduced. Lok Sabha witnessed a debate mark 150 years of national song Vande Mataram, and the issue of electoral reforms was also discussed. Important things which are covered in winter session. Discussion on the Vande Mataram. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Chattopadhyay, first written in the Banga Darshan and then in the Anand Math. First recited by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896 in the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. During Swadeshi movement, it became song of revolutionaries, and on the 24th January 1950, it was adopted as national song. VBG Ramji bill. It replaced MG Narega Act 2005. In MG Narega, there was 100 days of work, but in new Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin bill, there is 125 days of work will get. MG Narega, it was a demand-driven scheme. It makes a supply-driven scheme. Firstly, in MG Narega, there was 100% from center for wages and for material cost. Central government gives 75%, but in new format, it is become central sponsored scheme, and central will give 60% and 40% from the state government. Another bill, which is a Shanti bill 2025, in which the private participation for nuclear power is allowed in this bill. Amendment in the Civil Nuclear Liability Act 2010. There is 100% FDI in insurance sector. This will make more investment. This will create more jobs in the insurance sector. Then there may be decrease in the premium of the insurance, which could benefit the poor people, and financial inclusion could increase. There is discussion on the electoral reforms. There are 3 questions asked by opposition to the government. First is 45 days clause for the destroying CCTV footage. For that, government answered that in RPA 1951 Act, provision for going to the High Court for election petition is only 45 days, so there is no storing CCTV footage beyond 45 days. Another question is why immunity is provided for Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner. On that, government has said that under RPA Act, every election officer has immunity, so they have provided it to Election Commission and Election Commissioner also. There is another question for appointment of Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner. Now, election commissioners are appointed by committee of Prime Minister, Home Minister, and Leader of Opposition. But as in Anup Bharanwal case, Supreme Court said that there should be the CJI. There should be the CJI in the committee for appointment. So, Home Minister has given answer to that question, as there was Supreme Court said in Anup Bharanwal that only for the time being this arrangement is valid. After the Parliament law, this arrangement can be changed.